In this video, I'm going to show you how to spy on private Instagram accounts. As you can see here, this is Instagram. I'm going to open it and this is my profile. And there are several accounts and posts over here, but we're only interested about checking private accounts. And for this tutorial, I've chosen this account over here, which is private. Let me show you. So this is it. This is the account we're going to be experimenting with. Right now, this is a private account. You cannot send messages to this account. You cannot check the posts or anything like that. You can only request to follow it, but that's going to change on this video. So you need to open your browser and go to this website, which is scanshadow.com. So scanshadow.com is the website that you need to go. And as you see, there are several tools on this website from Snapchat to Facebook and Instagram. You need to tap on the tool that you want, in my case Instagram, and then enter the username of the account that you want to check on, the private account that you want to check on. In my case, it was the account that I showed you earlier. You need to enter the username of the account that you want to actually spy on, and this is what I'm going to do right now. As soon as you enter the username, you need to see the features of this website over here and choose one of them. You can view different things, and in my case, I'm going to choose view private accounts, but you can also choose these other features if you want, and then tap on the button here. All right, so once you actually do that, it's going to send you on this new window where it says that you need to complete a short verification to actually check the account. I've already completed this before shooting the video tutorial because I didn't want to make this video very long, but as soon as you complete the verification yourself, you need to tap on this button over here. But for me, since I've already completed it, I only needed to do the first part of the video. And then now I can actually go back on Instagram and the account will be unlocked. But as I said before, for you need to actually complete the short verification to actually get the account. Before you start, before you go back, you need to close Instagram, you need to shut the app down and then restart it, because otherwise it won't be working for you. So go back to Instagram and then go and search the account that you want to actually spy on one more time. So this is the account. You need to tap on it and now it's going to open and unlock for you. You can follow it now, you can message the account and you can check the posts. So thank you for watching and share this with your friends so they can also check on private accounts.